Hi everybody, we're going to be talking about starting lavender by a slip. And Mark, I talked to you about this also. When I was harvesting my lavender to dry it for my sachets, you mentioned to me about, well, you could actually try to do slipping of my lavender plants. So what was it you suggested that I do?
Well, the most important is to cut into the hardwood.
Right.
You don't want to cut the soft tissue wood, which is the previous year.
Right.
So you want to get into the hardwood.
So you're talking about, when you say hardwood, you're talking about like this?
It's wood that's calloused over.
Yeah.
It's not soft any longer.
Okay.
And dip it in like a rooting hormone.
Right,
and, get them started that way. This is really neat to see that we've got young growth starting down off the old wood. That's a sure sign that you have root activity starting. And if you hadn't seen this, that would possibly mean that your plant is not going to root or is possibly fading away. So this is a really good sign.
That makes me happy to see that. Actually,
yeah,
it looks like
keep it moist.
Yeah, looks like I've got a couple here, Mark, that are doing that. Thanks, Mark, for dropping in today.
Sure.
To, to explain to people too about the cuttings of the hardwood of lavender.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Hope they all make it.
I hope so too.
Turn it into beautiful little plants.
I hope so. It'll be really fun to do this. Take care, everyone. Happy gardening.